Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a Holden Captiva 7LTZ, stock reference number 3973. This shape runs from the 10th month 2015 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door appears to has one small dent. Left rear door has a couple small dents. Left side skirt or side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail lights in good condition. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type. It does have some light scuffs along the bottom edge. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Camera type, right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right side step with all bolts and brackets sold as a pair. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory MyLink, touchscreen, media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, both light type, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.